One of my most important things have been until we got to this point was finding the clay. I have a machine, this machine right here, it's got grade control on it. So as soon as we get the good dirt stripped off, I go out with the soils guys ahead of our guys and I dig test bits everywhere and find out what's good and bad. I map it and mark it so I know what depth we got and where we're going. And then we decide our haul patterns outside of that. And we base our whole day around what I find in those 3 or 4 hours of the day that I do that. And then on top of that, we have to move the whole operation as it goes. We'll be digging in good dirt, all of a sudden hit bad dirt, so then the operation has to switch immediately. When we switch, it's all of a sudden the truck stopped because we got to move the hoe over to be able to start getting it out again. So I'm about a day ahead of them all day, every single day, to make sure when we do have to switch, it's as fast as it can be.